do you make passive income without chasing customers? Oh, the best businesses don't require constant selling. They make money passively the right way. What if you could make sales without constantly chasing people? Oh, that's the best. Passive income isn't a myth. It is a strategy. I'm breaking down the smartest ways to build true passive income. 1, choose a passive income model that works. Not all passive income is truly passive. Watch some of my other videos that I explain that. Sell digital products that run themselves. Ebooks, courses, templates. Sell once, earn forever. No inventory, no shipping, 100% profit. A digital product makes money even when you're offline. Use affiliate and resell right models. Master resell rights. Sell once, profit forever. Get 100% commissions without making your own product. Selling someone else's product? Make sure you keep the profit. Invest in recurring income streams, subscriptions and memberships, money every month. Ads and monetized content equal passive revenue. Recurring revenue equals financial stability. Would you rather make money actively or passively? Drop your answer below. Go to my site to get your free blueprint today, or comment ready and I'll send you the details. Any questions? Send me an email. I'm here to mentor you. Thank you.